Okay, so here's the AMPPS shortcut. So I'm going to double click that, and then it should display the AMPPS control panel, which will be somewhere on this side in this corner. Alright, it's here. Okay, it's Apache is running, PHP 7.3 is running. MySQL hasn't been started yet. Say okay, Windows wants to know if it should allow Apache HTTP server. Yes, allow access, and now MySQL is running. MySQL-D allow access for that too. So both of them are running fine now. I need to click this once again. So AMPPS 3.9 in AMPPS 2, Apache has started and MySQL has started. So both of them are started, and one of the reasons I love AMPPS rather is because it gives me the ability to switch. I believe it's somewhere here. Yeah, to change the PHP version I'm using to either PHP 5.6. Also, presently I'm running PHP 7.3, but I have the option to switch to PHP 5.6. So here, you know what? Let me just see what's gonna happen if I switch that. So it says PHP 5.6 is running. MySQL is stopped. MySQL is stopped. Apache is running. MySQL is stopped. I'm gonna restart this. So MySQL is running. So MySQL is running for PHP 5.6 too, 5.6 as well, 5.6.3.1. So everything is fine. So I'm gonna but I'll just change it back to PHP 7.3. So the advantage of running something like this is that it gives you the ability to build programs that are backwards compatible. So in case you install your software or your application, rather, I mean, if you install your application on a server that's running an older version of PHP, such as something something like PHP 5.6, that means if you want to test your application, if it will run on a server that has something like that instead of PHP 7.3, which is a newer version of PHP, you get the ability to test that on your computer before you even upload the application files to a web server. So I think that's a very good thing. I believe it is. So let's test it. Just like we did with XAMPP. Okay, it's here. So I'm going to type localhost and see what it does. Okay, it's taking me to AMPPS. Says act secure. Okay, back, but I should be able to access. Okay, I'm having where is it? Okay, it's here. Alright, so let's see if this is amps localhost root folder. Alright, CGI bin. So anyway, this is what it does. This is the root folder of amps. I'm going to open that in from C and show you where exactly that is. I can't figure out why amps doesn't show its own default folder. Let's see, I mean default page. It will be here. No, x86, no, that's for 32-bit systems or softwares. So amps is installed here. This is the previous version, sorry, the previous installation, and this is the current one named amps 2.2. so the live folder will be here. That's exactly what we have here. The CGI bin is here, error folder, and then the favicon icon, powered by amps and Softaculous. So yeah, the amps checks out fine. That's our home. Let's see, I want it to show me home. That's the home page of amps, and nothing is displayed. I believe the amps home page will most likely be downloading scripts from the web to display, so that's why I'm having this problem. Where's this? That's the root directory. That's the folder, which is here, the one we opened earlier. So it's already opened, that's why it's not opening it. Okay, and this, the admin interface, the admin area, the admin page, and I should have access to still the same thing. Let's see if Control U displays nothing. I think this will require me to connect to the internet, and I don't want to do that. It's not really necessary. Install amps, that's no, I don't want to install anything. But if I do have this is localhost, I do have some files from here, from my first amps installation. Let's see if I move them here, if I can copy one or just a few, so you can let's see, I have a creative. Okay, that's the user interface and that's the theme I was modifying for a chatbot. Okay, I'm just gonna copy that here. No. Copy. Alright, back to amps www directory. I'm going to paste it here. So I'm gonna reload this page. I'm gonna reload this page. Alright, it's here. Creative is here. let's see, IND. All right, open creative, and then ind.html. So this is what I was doing. Yeah. So the AMPS installation works fine. Yeah. So I'll be stopping here. And thanks for staying with me all through the video. If you have if you have questions about the video, please leave them at the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, would like to follow my channel, please click on the subscribe button and the like button as well. Don't forget to click the notification button so you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I'll see you in subsequent videos. Although this will be the concluding part of how to set up PHP development environment on your computer. So once again, my name is Wasiu-Adisa, and thanks for watching.